Greetings from BananaVille! I know when the banana hit my line. Hey, yo, today we're making some, I call this banana pudding, but to some, this may be a disgrace of banana pudding. This is gonna be really simple, really cheap, really easy, and really fast. Alright, so today we got some off-brand vanilla wafers. We got 16 individual packs of vanilla pudding. Off-brand, of course. They cost 85 cents per 4-pack, so it came up to be $2.55. We got some brown sugar. We got some cinnamon. We got some evaporated milk too. Then we got some whipped topping as well. I don't know where my mixing bowl is, so I have to use a boiler. And yeah, we're just gonna combine everything in there. I see where people like layer the stuff, make the pudding from scratch, and I'm just really hungry and ready to eat it right now, and don't want to have like a 4-hour process, or I don't really want to go to the grocery store and buy all the products. So this way I'm gonna do, I'm dump everything in the same container, stir it up, and then put it in this dish right here. Simple as that. Hopefully it tastes good, and if it doesn't, it won't be too big a loss. I'll still eat it anyway. But let's get right into the video. The video now, and I forgot to do a final assessment on banana pudding. First and foremost, tastes delicious. I had 3 to 4, maybe even 5 or 6 tastes the banana pudding, and they all came to the same conclusion. It was very delicious. They thought it was like, high class banana pudding. Secondly, it's very affordable and relatively quick to make. I did sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour. So in all the time for prep and all that, probably came up just shy of 2 hours. So I would definitely recommend you to try this recipe out sometime. And if you want me to make anything else, please comment down below, or what would you like to see next. All right, thank you. Have a nice day and keep marching.